Hi, I'm Daniel Metler from 2SexyContent Internet Solutions, and I'd like to show you a feature we added in version 3.0, and that is lists. This empowers you to actually create repeating templates, both sideways and downways, and many complicated things, and it's also possible using tokens. So I'd like to show you how to do this today in a very, very simple, very short video, so let's just get started. What we're going to be looking at is this. We're going to create a super trivial list. I'm going to show you how to use the simple repeat tag, and I'll show you kind of what the concept is to move from one item, the classic scenario, to many items. So here's what we'll do. Let's just quickly switch over to the browser. What you see here is I've prepared a page, and we see one single item here. It's called Paris. If we look inside what I did here already, you'll notice that I have my simple content. You've probably used this before. The title, I've written Paris in there, content, etc. And this is the template we have currently. So this just says, look, it's a little div. It has the SC element to position the toolbar properly. It has a span that shows the title, and that's it. So very, very simple. Let's just understand this also. Look into the edit mode. You'll see this is exactly what I typed in, Paris. It's the capital of France, and I've added a link. And because my template currently just shows the title, that's all I see right now. Just to see that again, see the template just says show the title. And that's it. So what we'll do now is I'll take Notepad and I'll extend the template a little bit to do a little bit more than that. So let's pretend I'd like to make this into a list. So a typical thing that I would do, of course, is to say, okay, this is an unordered list. And this should stop here, of course. And I'll pack the span into a list item. Very simple as well. So far, no real magic yet, right? The visualization should change, of course. Let me just refresh this. And you'll see, okay, Paris is now a list item. Now, of course, you'll see I can't add more items yet. Wouldn't know how, right? So first of all, let's just go into the administration. Remember, you have to have the right permissions to do this. And go into this future unordered list. This is the template I've just specified and the one we're using right now. And here I will now say enable list. Basically, that's all you need to do right now. The moment you click that, and save it of course, you will see that I now have another button. It's the plus. When I hit this button, something happens, but you're going to be worried because you're not going to see a lot. So somehow I've done something, but we don't see anything. What you'll notice here, by the way, is that now suddenly you have buttons like edit list here, because in reality it already added data, but it doesn't show it because it doesn't know how. And actually to make it show it is very, very simple. We'll go back to the template now and we will say, okay, please do a repeat here. Because otherwise the system doesn't know what it should repeat. So this is the section it should repeat. And we have to also change something else here because every single item has a toolbar. So of course the toolbar positioning has to be in the repeating section as well. Otherwise it's not going to work out. So let me just quickly say what we did here. We have an unordered list starting here and ending down here. We have a repeat section telling 2SexyContent to do this as many times as possible. This here is simply to package the item and to position the toolbar. And here we're actually just releasing the title to look at. So that's it. Let's save this, and if all goes well, I hope and pray that the demo will work already. So, what you see now is not much happened. The reason is I forgot to specify a demo item. So, of course, the other ones are not visible until they have something in there. To explain what I just mean is I'll quickly change, add data here. I'll type in something here like Berlin, capital of Germany. And I'll skip the link for right now, and you'll see it now, I hope. Let's close this. And let's wait for it to okay, perfect. So I've got it. To make this more intuitive for normal people, I recommend to always add a demo record, which we'll do right now. Because saying what the demo data is, let's say my demo data is this thing here called token templates, we'll insert the demo data as long as nothing real has been entered yet. In other words, we should now see it appear. And if I press plus here anywhere, like here, you'll see it appears, and it allows me to edit this inline. Now, What you've seen so far is that I've made this list, I've used this template, and it's very simple, very trivial. It works, and basically the entire magic is just to add these repeat tags, but again, don't forget to make sure you have demo data in there to make it more functional, and remember to enable the list feature. And that's all you need to do to create cool lists in 2SexyContent. More advanced features will come in the following videos. Thank you for watching.